Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from INFINIX Hot 12i to an Android device. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Now open it. Select I accept, confirm, continue and allow, and then do exactly the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. From this screen here, you need to choose Receive on your Android and Send on INFINIX. Now choose all of those type of dots and click on Send. This way you would select all of those files and then transfer them. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only one. For example that one, choose Send and click on Got It. Now on an Android, tap on No Thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have the connection waste. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the upper only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. If you don't want to do that though, you can always input this key over here instead, and click on Receive. Now as you can see, after a while, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!